Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and my little friend Smokey here has recently gotten the coolest kitty bathroom upgrade. This PetSnowy Snow Plus self-cleaning litter box. Smokey's owner has recently gotten her after not having a cat for many years. After switching to this PetSnowy litter box, he has commented how he is so impressed at how there is absolutely no odor. The triple odor elimination technology that's included in this litter box definitely works. When this litter box goes through its self-cleaning cycle, the noise is so low. It is whisper quiet. Not only is this really nice for people, but it's especially nice for cats. Any noise coming from their litter box could deter them from using it, so that's really the last thing you want. And it's very convenient for Smokey's owner. If he's out of town for a few days visiting family or for any special events, he really doesn't have to worry about it. As soon as we were setting it up, Smokey was really not fearful of it at all. She was mostly just curious about it. It took her a few days to get totally comfortable with it, but after that, she was using it really regularly. I didn't think I would ever say this about a cat litter box, but it has a beautiful design with gorgeous neutral colors. The Wi-Fi capability of this litter box and the ability to be able to control everything on its own app is something that Smokey's owner has recently become really excited about. Smokey was a little bit nervous about the lights on the unit, but with the app, her owner could turn the lights off. He was very pleased to be able to customize the time between cleaning cycles so that he could set the timing to what's best for Smokey. If you want to spend less time cleaning out your cat's litter box and have a really fresh smelling home, you have got to check out this litter box from PetSnowy. But that's just my point of view.